Engine performs best with high quality fuel and oil. The human mind performs best when fueled with good nutrition, positive thoughts, healthy relationships, and meaningful activities, and performs poorly with toxins like chronic stress, negative influences, or harmful substances. While basic car maintenance can be done by the owner, complex engine problems require a professional mechanic. Similarly, while self care goes a long way, complex or severe mental health challenges often require the help of a trained professional, such as a therapist or a counselor, to diagnose and address the root cause effectively. Therefore, always seek help whenever you feel overwhelmed. And remember, your mind is your best asset. Take care of it. Right? Good.